All right, good morning, brothers and sisters. Today is December 13th, 2020. I had a dream Friday night that I want to share with you guys. Been praying on it, and I want to share it with you guys and ask you also to pray over this dream. And as always, please pray for discernment, okay? So the dream was pretty short. I saw myself holding what looked like a very white newspaper. Now you guys know that in newspapers they usually have, or they used to have, crossword puzzles. And they also have crossword puzzle books. Well, I knew that I was holding a newspaper. But the newspaper wasn't like gray. You know, newspapers are usually a little bit duller in color. This was very white, like this sheet of paper. And it was like I said, a crossword puzzle. And on the side it had the questions. Okay, so anyways, what I first saw was where the 14 is written. I saw the blank squares going down, and I knew it was a big word. Now, I couldn't see the word trumpet yet. I only saw that there was a big word that fit going down. So I first thought trumpet, and I don't know why I thought this in the dream, but I did. But then when I looked up, I saw that the word trumpet was already written across on the top. So I went to the questions, and the answer to the next question was 14. It was a math question. So, and the answer was 14, and the 14 fit going down. So the only two words on this entire crossword puzzle, and it was a big sheet of paper, were the words trumpet, and then going down was the word 14. And they were very bold, very clear. Okay, there was no doubt in my mind. This is exactly what I saw. And so I found that very interesting. That's all I saw in the dream was these two words. Like I said, it was a crossword puzzle. And all I saw was the blank squares for the word 14. I knew I needed a big word. And I knew that trumpet was the answer to one of these sections here. But when I went to write it down, that's when I looked up and I saw that the word trumpet had already been used in this crossword puzzle. So then I went to the question. It was a mathematical question, and the answer was 14, so I wrote it down. Now, please know, you guys, I'm not date setting anything, okay? So how the Lord always taught me to do dreams was to just talk them out. Now, we know that dreams are symbolic. I have had a few literal dreams on and off through the years. I've had, as far as my family is concerned, quite a few. And then other ones that were a big deal and it's not something that I will probably ever put on video. So what I did first of all is I just looked up the basic meaning. Now, the meaning of a trumpet, it's used as an alert or an announcement or warnings that something is about to take place. That's what a trumpet is used for. It's also used to herald announcements or the coming of, I can't even remember what I wrote now. It's to build anticipation. But that's what a trumpet is used for, okay? A trumpet is used, they would blow the trumpet to alert people or to make an announcement or a warning that is about to take place. So the next thing I did is I go to the Hebrew numbers like I've always done for the number 14. 14 means double measure. It also means the number of the Messiah. It symbolizes fullness and revelation. 14 is the Hebrew letter Nun, N-U-N. And its numerical value is 50. It's pictograph, meaning life, fish, seed, air, and it also means prophetic. And what I found interesting last night is, again, I mentioned the number 50 in a dream. Now, another thing that happened in this dream was in the next scene, I looked down and I saw that my feet and my calves were wrapped in light. They were all lit up. And that part right there brings us to Psalms 119, 105 through 107. And it says, "Your word is a lamp for my feet, a light for my path. I have taken an oath and confirmed it, that I will follow your righteous laws. I have suffered much. Preserve my life, Lord, according to your word." Now this, I know, can appeal to many people. I know it appeals to me. It's just especially here at the end. A lot of people are going through a lot of stuff. So anyways, that's the psalm that's connected with the second scene where my feet were lit up. My mostly my heels and my feet, and then a little part way up my leg was lit up. And I noticed that when I stood, the lights got brighter. So I just think, if anything, that's just a good scripture verse for today for us to, make, or to read or to pray on, which is Psalms 119. Your word is a lamp for my feet. It's a light on my path. Okay. So as far as the other things, like I said, I'm not date setting. That's crazy. Well, it's not crazy, but I just know that most dreams are symbolic. So that's why I just basically looked up the meaning of trumpet. I looked up the name of, or the meaning of the number 14. Now maybe this is just warning us that something is about to happen. This is what I'm thinking. That we're being shown to blow the trumpet because there is a warning. There's something coming. Now that was my cat that just walked by. Let me show you him, Willie. He is such a little monster. Okay, so anyways, so that's what I've come up with. I don't believe it's saying that something on the 14th is going to happen because that's tomorrow. But I do believe it's symbolic of a possible warning, okay? Because like I said, the trumpet is to warn. And we know what the number 14 means. It is the number of the Messiah. So maybe it's just blow the trumpets. Maybe it's just basically saying, we need to prepare because Jesus is coming, which we all know. My husband and I feel that very strongly, that he is coming very soon. So maybe it's just for that reason. So again, I just ask you guys to please pray for discernment over this. I really appreciate it. Leave your comments below on anything the Lord may put on your heart. And again, just please pray on it. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. I love you guys. I'm still here, just waiting on the Lord. Here's my cat again. There's Willie. He is so much fun. All right, I love you guys. Have a great day.